Come on through, guys. Grab a seat
Alright.
for me. You guys know what to do. Thank you.
Oop.
That side. Yes, ma'am. Then you're gonna have the legs down for me as well, okay? All the way down there. Good. Okay. Lean over. Thank you. Good. Okay, so wait for the back part to strap in and it will release you guys.
Alright.
14.
You ready?
I'm ready.
There you go, guys.
All right.
I know, right? Yeah, I did.
Did you hit the boost?
Oh yeah. Actually, the boost seemed to work better on this than the one on Mardi Gras. The one on Mardi Gras, I didn't really notice the difference, but here it kind of seemed like it did. So.
Which one's better, Celebration or Mardi Gras?
Oh, Celebration, absolutely.
I think you're just saying that to please us.
Well, hey.
Guys, grab onto that, place it back for me, please.
All right, buddy, thank you.
Have a good one, okay?
That was awesome. Thanks. You got your stuff?